Welcome to the RSA demonstration. Today, I'll be giving you a quick tour on how to create a landing page. Feel free to navigate and explore your options afterward. Let's begin. Once you're logged into your account, I need you to look into the upper right side of your screen and click the landing button to start making your first landing page. The first part of creating a landing page is filling in the important parts of the edit page content. You will know they are when there are red asterisks next to them. Until then, and after you select Publish Landing Page or Save as Draft button, we can move on to the Edit Page Layout, where we can further design or modify our landing page to give a better user experience. In the meantime, it would tell us you need to save your landing page first in order to be able to add widgets. Let's go back to the Edit Page content. Now, the Edit Page content contains the following parts: the landing page title, the landing page slug. Usually it is the landing page title here with no spaces, but RSA does not limit you on this. You can input whatever slug you would like. The landing page logo, you can add here the logo, trademark, emblem of your council, organization, or company. The size of the display logo is 150 pixel by 150 pixel. To have high quality images on mobiles, we suggest no smaller than 300 pixel by 300 pixel. The cover image acts as your landing page banner like your Facebook cover photo or Twitter image header. Beneath that would be your short description of 150 characters. So this is a metadata that is used to describe the content of your page. Should there be a need for you to add more description or welcoming message to your audiences, you have an option to freely do so in the long description field. Landing page template, you have four choices. You can go for default, full width, left sidebar, and landing page version 2. I can show you the difference of the templates later on. Enter a Facebook page URL in the field below, or you can authorize us to fetch available pages from your Facebook profile. In here though, you have to enter your Twitter page URL. Below the Twitter page field will be a set of options. For all three except the landing page version 2 template, you will have the option to hide or show forums and enable or disable auto-translate. With the landing page version 2, you will have an additional two options. You have the option to hide or show your short description and hide or show your default survey. Once you have made changes, please do not forget to click on the Publish Landing Page or Save as Draft button, or else all the information you input will be cancelled.